It's a 2016 Audi Q5. It's time to step up to a luxury crossover that answers your demand for elegance, technology, and safety. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, auto dimming mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, AM/FM satellite radio, advanced key, dual zone climate control, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver reports all the Q5s come with electrically assisted power steering that actually has a sufficient amount of feedback for an SUV. Audi doesn't follow trends, it sets them. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
That new Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or Mazda is waiting for you at Morong, Falmouth. We're conveniently located at 187 US Route 1 in Falmouth, Maine.